Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrin and it's New Music Friday. Shaneil Muir bears it all with the release of new music. Yesterday, the singer released her first single of 2024, In My Life. The track sees Muir opening up about her personal life experiences.
Try on my feel, so I'ma try again. Right now, me I work for me I yourself. Sometimes me look tiring. I'm not know how I'ma do life. What make life a beat me with a wire belt. Some days me up. Other days I don't give a Shaneil, you can't pour from an empty cup.
Prior to the release of the single, the singer shared a clip on Instagram with the caption, "Here's some reality." Now, Madonna faces lawsuit. CNN reports that a lawsuit filed by concert goers accuses Madonna of false advertising and negligent representation after the singer started her concerts at Brooklyn's Barclays Center last month after 10:30 p.m. on all three nights when the tickets advertised that the shows would start at 8:30 p.m. The suit claims that most concert goers left the venue after 1 a.m. each night, causing them significant inconvenience, including being confronted with limited public transportation, limited ride sharing and/or increased public and private transportation costs at that hour. In addition, many ticket holders who attended concerts on a weeknight had to get up early to go to work and/or take care of their responsibilities the next day. Now, the lawsuit cites Madonna as a defendant along with tour operator and promoter Live Nation Worldwide, Live Nation M Tours and Brooklyn Events Center, which does business as Barclays Center. In 2019, during her Madame X Theatre tour, the pop icon was similarly sued for starting her show at 10:30 p.m. That lawsuit alleged that the change in start times for Madonna's Madame X tour was a breach of contract between the singer and the ticket buyer. Oppenheimer is back with more film nominations. This time, we're talking about the BAFTA. The film leads the British Academy Film Awards with a total of 13 nods in the categories of Best Film, Director, Adapted Screenplay, Lead Actor for Cillian Murphy, Supporting Actress for Emily Blunt, Supporting Actor for Robert Downey Jr., Cinematography, Editing, Costume Design, Makeup and Hair, Original Score, Production Design, and Sound. Now, Poor Things came in second place with 11 nominations, including nods for Best Film and Adapted Screenplay, and for Emma Stone's leading performance. Now, Stone will compete against Margot Robbie in Barbie, Carey Mulligan, Maestro, Sandra Fuller, Autonomy, Off the Fall, Fantasia Barrino, The Color Purple, and Ry Lane's Vivian Opera. Now, Rebel Salute is on its way. The 30th staging kicked off night 1 early this evening at Plantation Cove in St. Anne. TVJ is on the ground, and the marketing sales executive, a team lead, Nakarna Williams, tells us why our booth is a must visit.
Patrons to Rebel Salute this year will get a treat. They can pass by the One Spot Meter booth, that's our lovely skybox, and participate in our Reggae Challenge quiz. You know, TVJ has a school challenge quiz, but we have tweaked it and we are doing our Reggae Challenge quiz at Rebel Salute. So persons can participate for chances to win lovely prizes.
The reggae staple continues tomorrow with the highly anticipated Sean Paul as headliner. That's it for your weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedrin. Thank you for watching. Be safe.